because for a long time, even though they are yet to equal our records, that is the 80 squads, no. Because any league, the whole league, you lose one pay. We antimi we about go ebe show ukoye koye and fire ye the juni kwan ebe fashion. That is our scout. But of late we won't say for some period of time Kotoko like this year they are playing fluent football and they are scoring, they are doing everything. And you know, in my little quarter, maybe the Abuana team I will give them stiff opposition by studying their game, mapping a strategy that will stop them from flowing. That was what we did, but it would take you a hell of time to be able to do that because you can't press the whole 90 minutes. What you say?
So that means at a point in time, or boys not brana.
Yes, when 20 minutes in the second half, I saw some time, especially in the middle.
Okay.
In the middle because they wet. That is why I said Kotoko is in the class of his own. So trying to stop them from playing, you also have to sacrifice a lot. And then when you are able to do that, fine. But at the end of the day, if we had taken our chances from the first half to the second half of 20 minutes, it would have been a different ball game altogether. But at the end of the day, Kotoko also did well to maintain us, not to beat them, but rather they came back and then did what matters most.
So talking about missed chances, was it a case of inexperience on the part of a boys? And I said, or Kotoko now at the pressure be banner so such chances, because one of said and easy to score than to miss.
Yes, it's combination of both. See, I've played Kotoko before. I've played against Kotoko as a player, and I've played for Kotoko as a player, and I've coached Kotoko as a head coach. But so it is a multitude of factors depending upon the player himself. So the coaches have to dive into their psyche and then psych them up against bigger matches like what happened yesterday. And it plays under the eagle eyes of the Asante Kotoko supporters. So it's not easy for you to be there and then take what you wanted and go back. So if you are a player, you are not mentally tough. Getting the goals or pray who say and I say I think you can't make it. Seriously, you can't make it. So it is multiple factors that stop us from not. But what I'm happy about was, and then we're able to create chances, and then every team that can create chances is a good club. So this is about my part. It was only players in Nigeria. They couldn't take their chances and Kotoko took their chances well, and then they carried the day.
As 101.1 from Yane, Coach Abdul Karim Zito, we are national under 20 coach, Wakwaje about Loris Abibrebe, Enwa on a day a dreams FC Baye, Ocean a dress or born a black jeans or born a white top, what Jenny photo, Jenny cap, no didn't say you could no instructions, Adam Zampa, or my coach in a yakono, only didn't come on there, I was your passport. So, Coach, the Kotoko team are Australia, it is especially the Cameroonian pair of Mbella and Infege. I'm out for Gian or Moji or Moho, a sabe, almost so strikers or Muhubida. And as from the technical point of view, technically they are very good players.
Okay, strikers without good feeding. It is a Wakwe, a Jum. Uba benua benkwai na waba benua wo mukasi na e de mane ya ntimendi ni ya ana wan nua ni ya ni die yedin ebwa.
Amen.
So I think they are very vibrant. They are like their scanning mind was always looking around, looking at any bigger or smaller opportunity to take over what they wanted. They are like eagles, scanning around, thinking very fast, adding with speed. What you say? Without the ball, this is the way they behave. And then with the ball also, our team said they set the target and then they shoot at the right time. And the personality aggressivement was there. So it was like when they were not fed enough, they were still struggling to make it. But when they had the thing right, they make good use of it. So to me, the pair of those guys are very good. They have to also also try to do without the midfield sometimes, because it's like when we were able to cut down the supplies, we couldn't see them. You couldn't see them again. They were not working again. So now when they came into the picture now, then you see them. So it can happen anywhere. But let him tell you, that duel, Cameroonians are very good.
And Bella in Fegi.
They are very good. They are very good.
Okay. After the game, we said, Japan, about Toba, when I saw down in India, go through Jammy. Now, as a man, I catch it.
Oh, say daddy. Me, man, believe me, say. Of late, to me, Jan Kakra say, more Kotoko, because why busy. And then playing Kotoko is another fantastic build up for his career, because national team, I know what the coach is seeing, I know his philosophy, I know how he minds his players in Tina and Hami. But Mikajan says, since I'm on frame me. Nti o ti say no frame wa bo ahye ba wi no be dem ho.
Okay.
And I idea grow. Odi me chikura ba me say oba press room ho.
E kwa father and son affair.
That is son affair. Only do me na say coach ni me ba.
Oh, okay. And Prosper anya dey say obo papa. Prosper.
Oh, good say obia pay papa bia no pese ni ba onyi no osin no.
Okay.
What you say?
What you say?
We are paying part. After
the game, no, we share and happen. What was the first statement or catch it all?
We need finance and ourselves. But we talk anytime he plays the game, we talk. What time I watch, we talk. Because Kotoko now, I think he has been loaned when we first when Africa na Kotoko. Every coach knows that Kotoko big name in Africa, and then it's been long since we make any meaningful impact into Africa. So I think the legends and everybody are on board to make sure that the current Kotoko will achieve its objectives back again.
And do you see this current Kotoko team?
You know, I'm a legend, and I'm the vice president of the Legend Association. Mm-hmm. So it is our responsibility to make sure that.
Because the word legend, yana meaning na a woman as a bibu okonima or mom befitted the legendary status. No, my head I remember.
Yeah. Look, it is yana dear say. So what about Kotoko? Now what jabo we a legend.
And you are wrong. Legendary status. No, who say? Obian to me kasa onya legend. We are a true and true legend of the club. Anya biana oji Africa Cup anambwa.
Ipacho. Yes, no silver.
It is a Edina Adamo no. Obu on my legendary status no on befete. It be a mopa dipo for and I say mobile is such a way.
We are not talking about grammar.
I'm not talking about it.
We are not talking about
grammar.
We are talking about grammar. Grammar. You see.
And Moses, you know, now legendary status in your farmer.
You pedom noaba. Even in the rank of the legend, you were Malik Nwoho. Malik Mufruwa, Yansone Abaho, Yafrua, na Everse, Abulodin Musubeba, Kakraka, Winum, Everse, Frimpom Manson Beba, Abulodin Beba, indeed, like Francis Akwafu. or ya ma coaching da Kotoko and no mobile yes all we fit them, we added them into the language because
so me had that yes yeah man fa brofo legend na mode yana sada nke bi nkode fa lebo no
intina mi si jawo grammar no
mate coach every me dase every me dase fa
thank you very much bye
okay Abdul Karim Juto no aha antino we had the meaning of legend ne dia nka nipa ne bebe join mu kunkun a o mu deserve kora bele o se nya grammar me ko commercial break